Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here reporting for Muppet Weather. Today, boys and girls, we will be learning about weather in our area and around the world. So today, we're going to first look at this hurricane system that is developing out in the Atlantic Ocean. We have this hurricane, which is an area of low pressure that develops over warm tropical waters. Now, when this hurricane forms, it can have lots and lots of rain and high winds. This hurricane is going to move up the east coast towards North Carolina, and it'll hit North Carolina sometime on Saturday. Now, this hurricane is called, uh-oh, that's bad. It's called Hurricane Piggy. Anyway, in our area, we have this low-pressure center that is centered way up there in northern Michigan. Now, low-pressure centers cause air to rise high in the atmosphere and then cool, forming clouds. Lots and lots of clouds. So you can see how the clouds are all over this area in this nice spiral pattern that goes counterclockwise. That's because it's low pressure. Now, this low pressure area is going to make this cold front come through our area. Now, a cold front happens and it makes this cold air move by. And here we've got some nice weather behind that cold front, not too bad anyway, but then we've got another cold area up above that that's going to swing around and hit us. Now, a cold front happens, and here this animation is going to show us this. A cold front happens when cold air is moving into an area where there's already warm, moist air. Now, that warm, moist air gets pushed up really rapidly by the more dense cold air because the warm air is less dense. Now that warm, moist air gets pushed up rapidly, and that makes really tall clouds. The most common type of cloud that forms in a cold front is called a cumulonimbus cloud. Now, cumulonimbus clouds are formed in our season when this warm, moist air gets pushed up really rapidly, and that makes thunderstorms. Now, thunderstorms can be part of what's called severe weather. So here we see severe weather that's moving through because of that cold front. Out here in Indiana, they're having lots and lots of severe weather right now. In Fort Wayne, they're having what are called severe weather watches. In a severe weather watch, you've got to be careful because the area is ripe for severe weather to happen. But we haven't had all the severe weather yet, so just be careful and keep watching. But in some areas, like in Kokomo, Indiana, they have severe weather warnings. In fact, they had 2 tornadoes spotted in that area. So when you have a severe weather warning, that means to seek shelter immediately. Now, our 7-day outlook is coming up. We have our 7-day outlook here, and Tuesday and Wednesday, not too bad. We have nice sunny weather and pretty decent temperatures. But then that cold front comes through and our temperatures drop as that cold front comes through, and we get lots and lots of rain and the possibility of that severe weather. Then on to Friday and into Saturday, not too bad. As Saturday comes through, our severe weather pushes on to the east and that hurricane moves out towards the Atlantic Ocean again. So this has been Muppet Weather with Kermit the Frog. Yay!